Well, it's beautiful, but it's not Niagara. Magandang araw mga kakarampot. So, day 2 ng Alberta adventure. So, supposedly nasa Skyline Trail pa kami, pero di ko na kinaya, so kasi na I decided to head back. Pero the adventure continues at right now nandito kami sa Mount Edith Cavell. Look at that. Diba? Actually may trail na papunta doon, pero I don't think I can do another hike, although short lang naman daw, pero I think I'm okay here. Just to see this is awesome. Wow. What we decided to do, we looked for a campground. Magka-camping kami for tonight, and tomorrow gala. As someone from Ontario, medyo nainggit ako sa mga mountains nila. So beautiful, man. They're lucky to have all these. Oh, it's a 45-minute hike. I don't think I can even hike 10 minutes. Oh, there's a bear. This is the town of Jasper. Okay, so this is where we ended up. Whistler's Campgrounds. Stay here for the night. Ew.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Good morning. So we're breaking camp na, and we would find our way around. Yun, pero dito kasi kami nagbe-breakfast, so tensya na, medyo matamlay ang morning. Pero look at this, we wake up to this surroundings, mga bundok. First, coffee. Ay mga karampon, nandito kami sa Athabasca Falls. Yung naririnig nyo, yun yung falls, and I'm gonna show it to you right about, wait lang, right about now. Wow! Woo! Holy! Athabasca Falls. Well, it's beautiful, but it's not Niagara. Inside joke. That's really beautiful. And yet another falls. Can you hear it? Wait lang ah. I don't know where we are, but it's beautiful. Look at this. This they call this place the Big Bend. Look at that. Ta-da. Look at that.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within, calling this heavy load.
Opo, magsasawa talaga kayo sa dami ng bundok sa Canadian Rockies. Kanina pa nga masakit ang leg ko kakatingala. Di ko na malayan. Nakarating na pala kami sa British Columbia. Yeah, I fell asleep and I woke up, we're in BC.
Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out.
Okay mga kakarampot, this is quite a surprise because actually nandito tayo ngayon sa Yoho National Park dito sa British Columbia. Yeah, never expected to be in BC when I went to Edmonton for some vacation. But my friend Chris brought me here and wow, that's something. And we're hiking kasi medyo nagpahinga siya. So he brought me here and he just went for some needed rest because he's been driving for a while. So he said, go see the falls. What falls is that? Can you hear it? Oh, that's the river. Pero we're walking to the falls. I'm not gonna show it to you yet because I want it to be a surprise.
I'll join.
I was just telling you guys that I'm gonna do this alone, but look who decided to follow. The heck. Okay, I'm not gonna show the falls yet. It's gonna be a surprise. But if you've been to Yoho National Park, you probably know what I'm talking about. Ayan na, ayan na.
You got the white knuckles on me all the time. Keep me off these up inside. Heading for collision in the night.
So this is Takakaw Falls, right here at Yoho National Park. So high. I don't know if the GoPro can do it justice. Wait lang. Just like that, we're back in Alberta. I almost forgot to take a video because we're now at the probably the highlight of this road trip. Because like I just wanted to be here. Chris don't have to take me, but now we're here. Lake Louise. Dami nga lang tao. Aww. Let's position para may magandang angle. So yeah, I guess that's the highlight of this road trip. I only see this in pictures. So now this is what it looks like. This is a Tuesday, mga karampot. Pero ang daming tao yun. So when you come here, don't expect na you have the lake all by yourself, right? Okay, so the further you walk down from the entrance, the less people there will be. So like this place, you can take a picture here. So yun guys, we're leaving Lake Louise now. I don't know what's next. Maybe we're going home. We'll find a place to eat somewhere. Yep, no Banff. So this is the Banff gondola. We're not going on the gondola actually, we're just gonna look around. Admission is $74 per adult. Thank you so much pala sa aking high school batchmate na si Chris for being our very efficient driver and tour guide. Like he brought me to places I didn't expect to be when I came to Alberta.
Niagara Falls is nice, but it's not the Rockies.
Okay, so maraming salamat talaga sa kanya. I owe him a lot. Ayun, so subscribe niyo pala yung YouTube channel ni Basti, yung son ni Chris. Nandito, Sebastian Bennett. Gaganda, promise. Okay, so punta niyo. So yung mga karampot, we just finished dinner dito sa Calgary and on our way home sa Edmonton. So I think I'm gonna finish the video here dahil it's been a long day and lots of because it's been a long day and a long drive. Okay, so maraming salamat sa iyong panonood. I hope you learn English na kamutan.
LOL.
Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Kung di naman kayo nag-enjoy, sana natuto kayo. Kung di naman kayo natuto, sana nag-enjoy kayo kahit pa paano. Don't forget to like, comment, share. At ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, mag-subscribe. Yun ay kung di ka pa subscribe. And if you still have time, click yung notification bell to be notified of future vlogs. So hanggang dito na lamang. Maraming salamat. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam.
You want me to